Hey, junior developers. If you're struggling with coding, debugging nightmares, or feeling stuck, this video will save you years of frustration. Stick around because I'm about to share the biggest mistakes you should avoid and the tips to becoming a successful developer. Don't just copy-paste code, understand it. AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot are great, but if you copy-paste without understanding, you're setting yourself up for failure. Always ask, why does this code work? If you can't explain it, you don't really know it. Master the fundamentals. No matter what language you choose, Python, JavaScript, or Java, your foundation is key. Learn data structures, algorithms, and problem solving. These will make you unstoppable. Build real projects. Forget just watching tutorials. Start building. Even a simple to-do list app will teach you more than 10 hours of theory. Struggle, break things, and fix them. That's how you grow. Use AI the right way. AI won't replace you, but developers who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. Use it for brainstorming, code optimization, and explanations. But never stop thinking critically. Look, every great developer struggled in the beginning. But if you apply these tips, you'll save years of frustration. Hit that subscribe button if this helped.